Hello everybody, this is Indrani from Priyadarshini Boutique and today I am going to show you some beautiful sarees, your most favorite sarees, so please join us. সবাইকে আমন্ত্রণ আমাদের প্রিয়দর্শিনী সম্ভারে। আজকে যে শাড়িগুলো দেখাবো প্রত্যেকটা শাড়ি আপনাদের প্রচণ্ড পছন্দের, যেগুলো সারা বছর ধরে আপনারা পছন্দ করেছেন এখনও পর্যন্ত, সেই শাড়িগুলো ডিসকাউন্ট প্রাইসে। আর দুদিন লেফট, দুদিন আর বাকি আছে যে এই স্পেশাল ডিসকাউন্ট প্রাইসটা পাবেন। এরপর থেকে যা শাড়ি নেবেন, যা শাড়ির যা দাম, সেই দাম অনুযায়ী আপনাকে শাড়িটা পারচেস করতে হবে। সো জাস্ট আমি একটা কথাই বলবো, সবাইকে তাড়াতাড়ি জয়েন করে যান। আর সঙ্গে যদি যারা আছেন তারা একটা ছোট্ট কমেন্ট করে আমাদের কি বলবো উৎসাহ বা আগ্রহ আরও বাড়িয়ে দিন, যাতে আমরা আরও এক্সক্লুসিভ শাড়ি কিছু দেখাতে পারি, আপনাদের সামনে এনে উপস্থিত করতে পারি। তো তাড়াতাড়ি জয়েন করে যান এবং হাই হ্যালো কিছু একটা বলে দিন। তো যারা আছেন সঙ্গে একটু হাই হ্যালো করে দিন। Those people who are watching our show, who are with us, just say hi or hello for showing your presence, that you are supporting us, you are watching our show. So please put a little comment for showing your presence, that we are watching our show, that you are watching our show and you are supporting us. जो लोग हैं हमारे साथ वो बस हाई और हेलो कुछ बोल दीजिए, हमको पता चलेगी कौन कौन है हमारे साथ, कौन कौन देख रहे हैं हमारी शो। तो जल्दी से आप लोग आ जाइए, ज्वाइन कर जाइए, क्योंकि जो साड़ी मैं दिखाने जा रही हूँ सभी साड़ियाँ एक्सक्लूसिव है, आपका पसंदीदा है, तो जल्दी से ज्वाइन कर जाइए। So many people have joined, so let's get started with a beautiful sari. Right now I'm showing you all your most favorite sari, Pundru Khadi sari, which are really exclusive and very rarely seen. These are really exclusive sarees, hand woven sari. And see the border, it's a blue border contrasted with a green, mint green color. This is the palla area, and throughout the body has got the mint green color, and as you can having the border with a dark grey color, it's a bluish grey kind of color you will be having with the sari. And here you can see the blouse piece is there with a short tone blouse piece you will be getting along with the blouse piece. $4500 for the original price. Original price was $4500 and you will be getting 200 rupees flat off for each and every Pundru Khadi sari. So this is the first sari of today's show. You will be having this sari with a lovely color, with a mint green contrasted with the bluish grey border, and this part is absolutely hand woven sarees. So you can get to know, just take a closer view and you can guess how it will look. So this is the first sari of today's show. So we have so many different colors for this category. So this is the second sari. Move to the second. So it has a lovely contrast. It has a lovely green color, as you can see here. It has a lovely green color. You can say it's a bottle green kind of, with a tinge of grey on it. So it has a beautiful and a rare color, and you will be getting the border and the temple are there. These are also hand woven temple. As you can see, the temple are there. So this is the main attraction of the sari. So this is actually hand woven sari, and here you can see the temple border both the side, and this is the blouse piece. This is the palla area with the tassel, with the lovely tassel. And entire sari will be like this. Entire sari will be like this, and it has a nice colored, very much unusual tone, green, bottle green with a tinge of grey on it, and you will be getting a border with the sari with a lovely border, and this is the blouse piece you will be getting. You can team it up with a beige blouse also, so it will goes very good with the sari, and price will be same. Original price was $4500. You will be getting 200 rupees flat off for each and every Pundru Khadi sarees. Move to the next sari. This is also Pundu Khadi sari with a lovely contrasted. It has a very nice tone of pink. It's a peach pink kind of color. As you can see here, the peach pink kind of color for the border area and the temple over there. The same color, it is hand woven sarees, and it has a nice texture on it with the checks texture, and it has a smoke grey color for the entire body. As you can see the body portion, it has a smoke grey kind of color for the entire body, and this part is for the tassel, and the palla area is to be flat off for each and every Pundu Khadi sarees. So it has a lovely colored, very smart toned. Just take a look for the sari. It is a lovely red color, and all over the sari has got the woven design with the stripe design, and it has a chudi border both the side. And as you can see the palla area with the tassel. And all over the body will be like this. All over the body will be like this, and this is the blouse piece you will be getting. And red color, hot red color is our most favorite for the woman. Really, আমরা সবাই লালের জন্য খুব মানে ফিদা, আর পুন্দু খাদিতে অসাধারণ লাগছে। প্রাইস will be same 4500 and will be getting this saree only 4200 range. Now move to the next one, next saree, which is also mint green color contrasted with the blue color. It's a lovely blue and lovely mint green color, and both the side having the border. This is the palla area with the tassel, and all over the body has got this beautiful design. And this is the blouse piece. You will be getting this blouse piece along with the sari. This is the sari. Priced at 4500, you will be getting this sari 4200 range. Now I'm going to show you a beautiful yellow sari contrasted with the Rani border. Contrasted with the Rani border. This is absolutely tussar sari, tussar based. This is on Gachi by Gachi tussar based, and as you can see here, the palla area will be in pink color and border will be similar to the palla, and body will be in yellow color. It has a golden yellow kind of color, as you can see here, the golden yellow kind of color. And here you can see the pleats area will be like this. The pleats area will be like this, and rest of the part will be in golden yellow color, and you will be getting a contrasted beautiful blouse piece along with the sari. And it has a nice texture, as you know, the tussar material, so they have got a nice texture. So it is a beautiful tussar, beautiful contrasted, and price will be 5500 for the original price, and you will be getting 200 rupees flat off for each and every tussar sarees. Or 2 days left, so if you want to book any of them, so please book your desired saree as given number. I will share our WhatsApp number and the calling number again. That is 9830374721. That is our WhatsApp number. You can call us in the same number. This is one more tussar sari, as you can see. This is one more tussar sari, as you can see, with the border, contrasted border, like a red and orange color are there for the border area. And here you can see a beautiful design, chase design. যারা বুঝতে পারছেন না, আমরা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে আজকে নেটওয়ার্কে খুব প্রবলেম রয়েছে, যদি কোনো শাড়িটা পছন্দ হয় বলুন, আমরা দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে। এটা হচ্ছে বর্ডারটা, বর্ডার পোর্শন, আর কুচির পোর্শনটা হচ্ছে এইভাবে যাচ্ছে। অসাধারণ দেখতে কুচিটা। কুচির পোর্শনটা এইভাবে যাচ্ছে, ভীষণ সুন্দর দাবার ঘুঁটির ডিজাইন তসরে। আর এটা একটা ডার্ক বেজ কালার, ডার্ক বেজ কালার। আর এটা হচ্ছে ব্লাউজ পিসটা। দ্য ব্লাউজ পিস উইল বি লাইক দিস and price will be same 5500 for the original price. You will be getting this saree 4200 range, sorry 4300, oh sorry 5300 range. Now I'm going to show you one more tussar saree with a lovely contrast, with a lovely contrasted color like peach color for the body portion, and for the border and the palla will be in greenish gray color. It's a sap green color, not gray, sap green kind of color, as you can see. And here you can see the distress printed design. Here you can see the distress printed design. Body portion will be in peach color, and the pleats area will be like this. Pleats area will be like this with the sap green color for the pleats area. And here you can see the distress printed design with the red distress printed design. And this part is for the blouse piece. You will be getting contrasted blouse piece along with the border. Peach color. 5500 was the original price. You will be getting this saree 5300 range. Now I'm going to show you some silk sarees with a lovely contrasted with a distress printed design. And these are really, I tell you one thing, all the saree which I am displaying right now, these are all fresh collection, in fresh collection, new arrival saree, not old collection sarees. We are showing sarees, all the sarees are fresh stock. This is 4-ply silk. Right now I'm showing you all a 4-ply silk with a lovely color contrasted with the design. Everything was lovely with the floral design, with the distress printed bold design. And you will be getting a lovely blouse piece along with the saree. This is the saree, and price will be 4500. For the original price you will be getting 200 rupees flat off for each and every sarees. Now I'm going to show you one more bold color combination saree with a lovely kalamkari design. It has a very nice kalamkari design for the body portion on white based, and for the border and the palla area will be in shocking orange color. It's a dark kind of orange color, beautiful orange color which is highlighting the whole saree. It has a highlighted color. And this part is, a solid part is will be for your blouse piece. এই অরেঞ্জ কালারটা হচ্ছে ব্লাউজ পিসের জন্য, ভীষণ সুন্দর 4-ply সিল্কটা। এর দাম হচ্ছে 4500 for the original price, and you will be getting this saree 4300 range, 4300 range, flat 200 rupees off.